Tired of endless swiping and dating app fatigue? We've scoured the digital landscape to bring you the definitive guide to the best dating apps of 2025 *. Finding your perfect match, or just a fun hookup, is easier than ever, but you need to know which apps truly deliver. Before you download, be sure to hit the description for links to try these top picks yourself. Number 1. Grindr dominates gay dating, delivering near-instant connections through its innovative geolocation grid. Be warned though, our review reveals its notoriously NSFW environment, where quick hookups are the norm, and its ultra-premium, edge, tier comes with a staggering, randomized price tag. Number 2. Tinder remains the global king of casual connections, pioneering the swipe-right culture for fast-paced, often no-strings-attached encounters. It's perfect for expanding your social circle quickly. Number 3. Bumble uniquely empowers women, requiring them to make the first move in heterosexual matches, fostering more respectful interactions for those seeking balanced connections. It's an ideal choice for finding more serious relationships. Number 4. Hinge is the dating app designed to be deleted, focusing on deeper connections through prompts and shared interests, making it a strong contender for long-term partners. It prioritizes thoughtful engagement. Number 5. OkCupid stands out with its comprehensive questionnaires and unique algorithm, matching users based on personality compatibility and shared values, often unearthing surprisingly profound connections. It's ideal for intellectually curious singles wanting in-depth profiles. Whether you're after true love or a casual fling, these top dating apps of 2025 offer something for everyone. Don't miss out. Discover which one is right for you.